Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we discuss about how to keyword research for your YouTube video or YouTube channel. So these two methods help you to improve your video SEO thought keyword research. So at first keywordtool.io, this tool is awesome, help you to improve your video ranking for thought keyword research. So how you keyword research for this tool. So at first you need to click this YouTube button, then type here your keyword. I'm typing earn then select your region and select your language, then search, and here you got some free search volume, trend and average CPC competition, but also you got more and more keyword, but here you cannot got the CPC and search volume, but this is premium, but you got the keyword, that is the main fact. This is free, so you can just simply use your video if earn money related. So select your keyword earn money online. Maximum time you select your keyword that match your video content, not selected any keyword that does not match your video content. So that is most important, and you can select in keyword, and here you copy and paste your tag option. This keyword paste your tag option, and this keyword using you can write also description, but not replace any keyword multiple time in your description. This is wrong method. So another method, how can you keyword research easily from your competitor. This is this app already have Play Store. This help you. This app only one function that I like, tag extractor. So if you target any competitor, this competitor, your video competitor, so if your competitor video just here paste, and here you got your competitor tag, you can got free, and here is you got the idea why your competitor video is ranking, and this tag help you one thing, that your video does not mean you tag related. Don't use this type of tag, must be related tag use in your tag option. Use this method. I hope your video will be ranking better. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.